What is up, YouTubers? So, I was doing some maintenance on our 2011 Buick Enclave. So I figure I'll make a video on how to change the cabin air filter. I don't got the air filter now, but I figure I'll do this now when I got the opportunity. So I know this is a 2011 Buick Enclave. I don't know the specific years, so I'm just doing it for 2011. I'll probably put it in a comment when I go get the filter itself. So anyway, you want to get to your glove box, which is right here. You want to open it. So it's going to stop. There's one of these here. I got this one's from over there. This one's still in. So what you need to do is you just need to twist it halfway. You'll hear it snap and it comes off. And then this whole thing comes down. Once it comes down, get a little low here. You see, this is where your filter is in. So this here, it's a little tab. So all you have to do is these here, you just pull up and just pull out. Just pull up. Oh, yeah, pull up, pull out. And the knees you just pull down, pull out just a little bit. Pull up and pull down. So now that you got those loosened, all you do is pull it out just like this. And I definitely need to clean this. I also want to check in there, see if there's any problems. So this one is a little bit clean. I already took it apart before and it was really filthy, but that's why I'm actually going to replace this. So you take this out, and then the filter just, trying to work with this with one hand, comes out like this. I couldn't find any of these at Walmart or anything, so I might have to go to like there we go. I might have to go to auto parts store and get some. But all it does is just fits in like this. Yeah, just place it in like so. There we go. Now that you got it back in the case or whatever you want to call it, goes in the other way, just like this. Just make sure your two tabs up here lines up, and you got two tabs on the bottom, and you just push it in, and then you take here and you just pretty much push it in till you hear them clip in. And there you go. And it is in. So now that is in, sorry, I'm going to change myself out here. You want to make sure this piece here, there's like a, I don't know, some sort of treads or something. See those little marks? Supposed to go in here and it lines up inside here. Let's see if I can do this. Line it up just like so. And you know you got it in because you'll hear this. Pull up a little bit and you come down. And see how you see it? And it rolls. So there you go. Then I just hold it with my knee up. Put this in. Just like so. And then you turn clockwise. You only gotta turn it like a quarter. It's no full turns or anything like that. It's just a quarter turn. Same thing here. The slant part goes up top. You install it in. Push it in. Okay, maybe it's the other way. Sorry. Oh, yeah, it's the other way. Sorry. This way. And it goes in like so. And then you can give it a quarter turn. It ain't gonna turn no more. After that, it's in. And then, well, you put all your stuff back in there. And that's it. That is it for the cabin air filter. Okay, everybody. I hope that helped a few Buick people out. I'm gonna make another video of this Buick Enclave on how to do the spark plugs, cause you know I don't like to pay $300 for some spark plugs. I mean, a shop to have them to do them for me, because now these newer cars, all they need really is just spark plugs. A major tune-up is spark plugs and fuel filter. So I'll let y'all know on how all of those is go. I'll be making a video of that, and I'll be making a video of the air filter too, and pretty much the maintenance work on here. Other than that, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.